Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add dynamic island on iPhone in iOS 16. So first open the App Store on your iPhone. Here you have to search widgets. So this is the icon of widgets app you have to install on your iPhone. I have been already installed, so I am opening this. After opening the app, click on Manage at the bottom of the page and then click on Set Transparent Background. Now go to Home screen and take screenshot on the blank page. After that, click on Done button. Now go back to Widget app and click on Add Wallpaper. Here you have to select your screenshot. Now click on tick icon at the top right corner of the page and select your device. After that, click on Manage at the bottom of the page. Now scroll down to find medium widget slot and click on the dynamic island under the medium widget slot. Here click on it. Now you have to select your widget size. Click on Fix Permission. Now go back to home screen. Press and hold the home screen and click on plus icon. Under the search bar, search widget. Now swipe left and select the medium one under the widgets and then click on Add Widgets. Thanks for watching.